Happy Campers. Now we're subtracting fractions, and this coincides with Math Expressions lesson number 8. In this lesson, it's really important to remember how to compare fractions, because in subtraction, the larger fraction has to go first. For instance, you wouldn't do 2 minus 3 because the 2 is too small and there's nothing to borrow from. Obviously, the 3 would have to be first because it is larger. It's the same thing with fractions. So here's my t-chart. I have 4/5 and 2/5. So it's important to put that biggest fraction first so that you can subtract accurately. Because the fraction denominators are the same, we just look at the numerators. 4 minus 2 is 2, and our denominator stays the same, gives us an answer of 2/5. I had to think for a minute if that was correct. It's summertime while I'm recording. My brain isn't quite in the mode yet. All right, and if we have fractions that have unlike denominators, again, we have to make sure that that larger fraction is on top. And here we need a common denominator. So I'm going to use 10. And for 1/2, I'm going to use a multiplier of 5 to get me to that 10. A lot of people ask, well, how do you know to use 5? And I know to use a multiplier of 5 because my math facts tell me that 2 times 5 equals 10. And that means up here I'm going to use a multiplier of 2. Why am I going to use a 2? Because I'm trying to equal 10. And multiplying by 2 is the only way I can get there for this case. So I've got 6/10 minus 5/10. Now my denominators are the same, so I can just do 6 minus 5 is 1. That's going to give me a total of 1/10 as a sum. If you're still having problems finding that common denominator or struggling to know what multiplier to use, please come and talk to me and we can get you some help. As always, have a great day.